Hello world, my name is Vasil. I am from Kyiv, Ukraine, and this is my social network website for CS web programming course. So on this website we can register new user here. And write new post by this user. Here this post and another post. All post link takes us to the page where we can see all other posts, sorting by time created. Each post includes post content, poster username, date and time when post was created, number of likes here, and a heart. Every username on every post is a link to a profile page, where we can see information about user followers and how much other users' pages user follows. Also, we can follow or unfollow other users. If we try our own page, there is no such buttons. On every link, main page, all posts, and following posts displayed by 10 on a page. User can edit its own posts by clicking Edit button. After editing, we save information without reloading all page. Every heart is clickable, so when we will like some post by clicking on heart, its color will change. Therefore, we know that we liked this post. Here are our likes. And dislike. Here. This is my project for CS web development course, and thank you for watching.